Hi, this is Farz, and in this video I'm going to talk about an AI-powered tool that can enhance video quality, improve resolution, sharpen details, reduce noise, and even increase frame rates. Basically, it's an all-in-one AI solution for making your videos look much better. The software I'm using today is called MacXvideo AI. First, download and install it from the link in the video description. By the way, their lifetime license is one of the best sellers, so that's something worth checking out. Once you open the software, this is the home screen. You will notice three main options and others, but I'm going to talk about Image AI and Video AI. Under the Image AI, you can upscale images, restore faces, colorize old black and white photos, enhance photos up to 4K using advanced AI model. And in Video AI, you can enhance videos up to 4K, remove blur, noise, and compression artifacts, improve overall sharpness and clarity. And this is exactly what we are going to start with. So let's click on Video AI, and here you can import your videos very easily. Just click the arrow or simply drag and drop your video file. MacXvideo AI supports all common video formats, so no worries there. Once the video is imported, the software automatically analyzes the footage and prepares it for enhancement. I'm using this example video, and as you can see, the original resolution is very low. It's just 720p. That's quite small by today's standards. Let me zoom in a bit so we can clearly see the difference. On the left side, you see the original video, and on the right side, you see the enhanced version created by MacXvideo AI. Already, you can notice much better sharpness and cleaner details. Now let's go through the settings on the right side. First, I am selecting CPU plus GPU for faster and smoother processing. I will keep the interlacing set to auto, which works perfectly in most cases. Now comes the important part, super resolution. If you want to increase video resolution, enable super resolution and then choose an AI model. There are 4 AI models available. The easiest way to choose one is click on a model, preview the result, and then you can also read the description below. It clearly explained what each model is best for. I'm going with Gen Detail version 3 because it gives very natural and clean results. And then here I'm choosing high quality mode for the best output. If you're in a hurry, you can choose fast mode, but the quality will be slightly lower. Now we can upscale the video 2x, 3x, 4x, or directly choose a resolution like 4K. For this video, I am selecting 3x upscale. You can also enhance the video without upscaling if you only want better clarity by enabling this option. Next, we have frame interpolation. This allows you to increase FPS. It adds extra frames to make motion smoother. I don't need it for this video, so I will turn it off. There is also a stabilization option, which is great. If your footage is shaky, you can enable it anytime. Now let's check the before and after. Look closely at the details. This one is before and this one is after. You can change the view by clicking on this. Let's zoom in and you can clearly see sharper edges, better textures, cleaner overall quality. Now let's export the video. You can set the video codec. I'm going with H.264 and then quality level high. And for the ZOP, I will leave it as default. And now I will click run and let the software do its job. Alright, the export is done. Now let's go back to home screen and try Image AI. So you can see how that works. I will import this photo. This image is very small, only 474 pixels, so it's perfect for testing. And right away, you can already see the improvement. The settings here are very similar, just like the video. You have to choose an AI model according to your photo, and then you have to set the scale. I'm going with 4x for this photo. And if you're using portrait, you can enable face restoration here. And now let's see the before and after. The left one is the original photo and the right one is enhanced photo. Let's zoom in a little bit and see the details. And if you have a black and white photo, you can easily colorize it by checking this option. And to export this, set the format to PNG or JPEG, then quality level, let's go with 9 and set DPI to 300 and export. That's super easy. So if you want to try MacXvideo AI, check the link in the description, download it, test it out and see how much better your videos and images can look using AI.